Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The presenter here, tutor, just Muhuri. So here I just want to explain on algebra. And this is a topic that always comes in an examination that is to do with the ECZ. So these are the topics that you need to study much on them because they don't miss in an examination. We have simplifying algebraic expressions, expanding double brackets expressions, factorizing expressions, difference of two squares expression, division, multiplication fractions, fractions of addition and subtraction, equations that is to do with the quadratic equations, algebraic equations or quadratic. Then we have got a graph of polynomial. These subtopics are embedded into one topic that is called algebra, and this thing they are always tested or examined both in paper 1 and paper 2. So I'll try my level best to teach you these things and you to follow up and learn them. So, by the way, happy new month. So I'll start with simplifying. To simplify simply means make it simple or make it in simple terms of understanding. So we have I have here a problem that was given in the year 2024. In the year 2024, I was given this problem. Simplify, that is, let me just pick my past papers. 4, open bracket, close bracket, positive 3, 2x minus 3. So, this problem has to do with the signs. You need to know how to multiply signs, add signs, subtract signs. You need also to know how to group the like terms together and the unlike terms. So in this case, let me just draw that expression as 4x subtract 2, positive 3, 2x minus 3. So now, in this case, my first thing to do, or my first rule is first to rule out the brackets by multiplying the outskirt number with every term that is inside the brackets. And the same thing that I'm going to do there, because I've got brackets there, then I'm going to also multiply the outskirt number with the terms inside the brackets. So in this case now, let's see what I'm trying to explain. 4 multiplied to x, we get 4x. And then 4 is positive. Positive times negative is negative. Then 4 multiplied 2, it is 8. Then I have got positive 3. Positive, and I've got positive 2. Positive by positive is positive. 6 times 2x. We are saying that 2x coming 3 times. We have 6x. Positive times negative is negative. Some of us, we don't know how to even multiply sign. But please make sure you know how to multiply sign. So positive times negative, negative. 3 multiply 3, we get 9. Having expressed this in this manner, I will come to grouping the like terms. Grouping the like terms. I've got this term, I've got this term. These are called like terms. So I'll write my 4x here. After writing my 4x there, then I'll get my positive 6x. Because 4x, positive 6x, they all possess a variable x, so they are like terms. Then here I've got negative 8, negative 9. These are numbers. They are also like terms. They can be added together. Now I'll come to this one. Then 4x plus 6x. So I'm adding the x. I've got 4x and I've got 6x. How many x am I going to have? I've got 4x, I've got 6x. How many x am I going to have? Yes, Raymond? Okay. You say yeah? Okay. So 4x, I've got 4x and 6x. How many x am I going to have? I'll have 10x. Then I'll come to this one. Negative, negative. I've been taught to move to the negative 8 times and then continue to the negative 9 times. So meaning that I'll be still to the negatives. So I'll just add these two numbers. Negative, negative. Negative, 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 then add the numbers. 8 plus 9 is what? That is 17. 10x minus 17, they are not like 10s. So this is my answer. That's my answer. Okay, so you can try this one. 2023 P1, paper 1, simplify. You can try this one, simplify this one. 2023, I want you to try it on your own. And all right. Okay, see here. 2a minus 5b. A minus b is ab. So try this one on your own. Just try this one. Follow the steps. If you have got question, please just inbox me. Then the other thing that you need to know is to work expanding double brackets. Expression that involves expanding double brackets. So I'll teach you I'll give you two examples on this one. So the first example I'm going to give you is this one. That is to do with 2x plus 3 open x plus 5. Right. This one, they'll say this question normally they say simplify, expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. Expand and simplify the expression. This is another algebraic expression which comes in an examination. So they'll tell you to expand this double bracket. So how do you expand this double bracket? Number one is the terms that are in the first bracket. There are two terms. There's this term and this term. The first term and the second term. So the first term will multiply everything that involves in the second bracket. And this one, the second term will multiply everything that is involved in the second bracket. So what am I trying to imply here? I'm saying 2x will multiply everything there. That is 4x plus 5. Then our positive 3 will multiply everything in the bracket there. That is 4x plus 5. So having done that, I'll begin to multiply by erasing the brackets. Erasing the brackets. So how do I erase the bracket? 2x, 2 times 4, I get my 8. X by x, I get x squared. Right? So then 2x multiply positive 5, I get positive 10x. Then I have positive by positive, I have positive 3 by 4x. 4x coming 3 times, I'll have 12x. Positive times positive, I have positive. 3 by 5, I get my 15. Then I've reached here. Now in this case, I'll collect the like terms. Do I have anything that is a variable squared like x squared? I don't have. So I'll just bring down my x squared there. Do I have anything that has got x? Yes, I have this here. So these are like terms. So I'll add 10x plus 12x. So I'll have 10x plus 12x, I'll have 22x. Then add my 15. Do I have any number there? No. So these are not like terms. And my expression ends in an algebraic expression or a quadratic expression. That is that. So this one ends it. The second example under expand and simplify is 2y minus 3 power 2. 2y minus 3 raised to power 2 to the index 2. How do I solve this one? How do I solve this one? How do I solve this one? So I'll bring my expression as 2y subtract 3 less power 2. So what does it mean? This base given to the exponent 2. It means that I have to multiply 2y minus 3 2 times. So 2 minus 3 again 2 minus 3. So that this thing that I've done here is the same as what is there. So in this case now, the way I did it, the first example, so the first term multiply with everything there, and the second term multiplies with everything there. So 2y multiplies with everything there, and then negative 3 multiplies everything in this bracket, the second bracket. And next is to multiply now 2 by 2, that will give me 4. Y by y squared. Then next thing is positive times negative, negative. 2y by 3 gives me 6y. Negative by positive, negative. 3 by 2y, that is 6y. Negative by negative, positive. 3 by 9, 3 by 3, 9. So, I collect the like terms. I have 2y. These are my like terms there. So I have negative, then add the numbers, that is 4y plus 9. So this is my quadratic expression and my final answer to this problem. I'm given 2y minus 3 raised to the index 2. So ladies and gentlemen, in the next lesson I'll be teaching on factorizing and the difference of 2 square. So otherwise, thank you very much. God bless you until we meet on the next lesson.